just woken up in the Netherlands, near the Hague, Den Haag as they call it, and we're just going for a walk to the beach, checking it out. Yeah, so we're at day 3 in the Hague, and we got our big visa appointment for Norway, and we've actually forgotten, well, we didn't really forget one form. I printed out the wrong one. We printed out a renewal checklist instead of a new application. So we're rushing now before 10:30. Just made it to a printer shop. It's about 9 o'clock, and we just got to print out 2 new forms, maybe get a coffee, and then make our way to the Norwegian embassy in The Hague.
Awake all night, I need you awake all night, I need you awake all night, I need you.
Alright, so we just printed everything we need. The one document we missed it, and bank statement, which is really good. So we're now walking back towards the embassy, but we're going to have a coffee on the way because we still got an hour to kill, so we'll have a coffee, relax, and then go do our visa appointment.
Yep.
Ashley's a bit stressed about this. What do you think of the barriers, Ash? Pretty good idea.
Safety first.
Safety first.
Did you get a big enough coffee?
That's pretty good.
It's like a cereal bowl.
Because we're Australians and we're in the EU, we need a visa for different countries we want to stay in for a long period of time.
Work.
Yeah, so if we don't have one, eventually when we go back to Australia, we can be fined or imprisoned because we have overstayed our visa.
In prison?
Or they ban you from the EU in future. So hopefully this goes well. It's flags. You ready?
It's time for Lockie's appointment. How are you feeling?
They're nervous. I'm supposed to go for a jog. Right.
Bye.
Adios, amigo.
Good luck.
Thanks, Jen.
Look at him, all grown up.
So I just got back. Very nerve-wracking. I was very nervous up there, but hopefully it's all done. In a few weeks we have a new visa. Let's hope so. So she went up and she was too early. She tried to go up at 22, but they said you got to be on time to reduce coronavirus, but she didn't listen to me. She thought she would do her own thing. Anything to say for yourself?
9.
Round 2. See you later. Good luck.
Ciao.
Ciao, ciao.
All done.
What do you say?
Now we wait. What did he say?
Mm.
Nothing. He just asked me for my documents and that's it.
So yesterday we didn't decide to vlog this, but we had a very stressful day trying to find water in the Netherlands. Everywhere we went had no water taps. Campsites basically said no, you can't fill up here because you're not staying here.
Even though we offered to pay.
Yeah, we offered to pay €10 or something just for a fill up our water tank. Places said no, so we eventually bought, much to our disgust, some water bottles, 500 litres each, and we used that for the night just to get drinking water and water to brush our teeth.
500 litres each.
500 millilitres, sorry. Yeah, today we just went past the mechanic business and just popped our head in and said, hey, do you mind if we fill up our camper van? He said, oh, usually I don't do this because you let one in and they all come, but yeah, you can fill up, which is really good. So we filled up a lot more than what we usually would. So we've got a 100 litre tank, and I think we've probably filled up about 75 litres, which is good. So we should be right for a while now.
I know that it took me so long, had you up waiting all night. Baby, I hope it's alright. Yeah.
So now that our visa appointment's over, we got bread, we got water, all the stressful things are done. It's time to relax a little bit. We're going down to the beach in the Netherlands in The Hague. See what it's like. Seen a few surfboards go out. So it's also a concrete path on the sand. Never seen a concrete path on the sand before. Anywhere.
What have you spotted?
I think it's an oil rig or something.
I saw.
I don't know if you can all see this, but there is a boat driving through the surfers. Taking full advantage of the shower situation. Nice work. Supporting the community. Best thing about being in Europe is you can walk on the concrete after you've been swimming and not get a burnt foot.
So we're at it again. Lockie's barbecuing. Smells pretty good. We just had some fellow van lifers or travel friends come by and speak to us in Dutch, and they were pretty impressed with Lockie's little barbecue and his coal chimney, so Lockie's pretty happy.
They thought it was cool.
Morning, Lucky. So this morning we've woken up by the beach, so we've had some overly ripe bananas, so last night I froze them, and this morning I'm making smoothie bowls in the van.
We can walk down to the beach just there. So we're just going to put some coffee on, put it in a thermos, go for a walk to the beach, have our coffee by the beach. Madame, you ordered the cafe latte?
Not really.
People would pay a lot of money for this. Okay, that'll be €4.95.
Put it on the tab.
There is no tab.
No.
So we went down the beach this morning and now we're heading back out. Why not? 31 degrees, so might as well. It's very hot. And I just thought I'd mention a big shout out to Billa, our sponsors, for providing us with a shopping bag worth $1. Thank you, Billa. Serves two purposes. One is going shopping, two is to the beach. Got my towels. Yeah, waterproof. Excellent bag. Thank you, Billa. Once again, our sponsor. The beach today is absolutely packed. There's people everywhere. It is crazy.
Although it's nothing in comparison to
Yeah, so we left the beach maybe 3 hours ago and it was nothing like this. And within a few hours, everyone is packed in. It's crazy. There's cars everywhere. Absolutely bonkers.
It's not that
Just at the old main beach and the tractor decides to pull up a boat right beside us. We had to jump out of the way or get up and move, but fuck, so different. The boat just came in between all the swimmers, no problems, and then the tractor comes down and picks him up. Right on the main beach, no problem.
Look at this stud coming up the beach. Thanks for watching our vlog. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and tune in next time.